This is David Peterson, and this is week 3 of Apple's Objective-C programming language. And here on the right is my application running in the simulator and my code. And what I did was initialize some data so it wasn't barren when the person loaded it. And so the first thing I do is check to see if events have been loaded. Is this already been running? And if not, then I load them. And then here's my view did close, checking to see if the string is empty. If it's not empty, then I add the element, and then I call this build, which displays the element. And the code for the second screen is that there is a save button which sends the delegate text back to the delegate, and then the second close the keyboard. And so if I add an event and I type order chairs and save, we see that order chairs is there. If I add the event and say tablecloths chosen, I can close the keyboard, save it. I can add an event, press save without anything being added, go back in and next event, and there should be no blank line, and there isn't. So there's my application. What could I have done different? Well, obviously there's a lot of things. I've been trying to fool around with iOS 7 look minimalists. While I like the way it looks when other people do it, I'm still getting used to myself doing things without real buttons, and trying to work through colors. So that's a work in progress for me. But other than that, I've enjoyed the class, and it's all starting to click for me. I did a lot of preliminary studying through Linda and other tutorials to get ready for this part of the education. And so I feel like it's right in my sweet spot right now, and really anxious to see what's next. Thanks.